Welcome to the world of the Tawa rainbowfish.
This newly discovered species brings a fresh look to the hobby.
The Tawa rainbowfish originates from Papua Island in Indonesia.
Notice the brilliant silver fins on the Tawa rainbowfish.
A bright red tail creates a striking contrast against the silver body.
A stunning turquoise blue covers the main body of the fish. Elegant black markings dot the side of the Tawa rainbowfish.
Notice the beautiful red coloration extending across the forehead.
The red forehead pattern extends beautiful along the upper back.
The silver and red combination looks incredibly luxurious.
The Tawa rainbowfish reaches a maximum size of 8 centimeters.
The 7 to 8 centimeter size makes the fish very manageable.
The Tawa rainbowfish possesses a very polite and peaceful personality.
Hello there.
The peaceful nature makes the fish perfect for a community setup.
The Tawa rainbowfish prefers to live in a dedicated school.
Provide plenty of open swimming space for the energetic fish.
A minimum tank volume of 100 liters is highly recommended.
An 80-centimeter long tank provides adequate swimming room.
Dense aquatic plants offer security and comfort for the fish. The Tawa rainbowfish thrives best in medium hardness water.
The omnivorous fish requires a careful balanced daily diet. High-quality commercial pellets provide essential daily nutrients. Live foods trigger the natural hunting instinct of the fish. Frozen foods are excellent for boosting the vibrant fish colors.
A soft moss pad creates the perfect spawning location.
A slightly cooler water change triggers the breeding behavior.
Breeding colors make the Tawa rainbowfish look absolutely spectacular.
The Tawa rainbowfish scatters eggs directly into the soft moss. Always separate the adult fish to protect the fragile eggs.
Breeding the Tawa rainbowfish is considered a medium difficulty task.
The rare silver and red tones are highly sought after.
The turquoise flank shimmers brilliantly under the aquarium light.
The Tawa rainbowfish is confident and very curious.
A steady water current mimics the natural Papua Island streams.
A sandy bottom completes the ideal biotope for the fish. A peaceful environment ensures the delicate fins remain perfectly intact.
Never mix the polite Tawa rainbowfish with aggressive tank mates.
Peaceful bottom dwellers make excellent companions for the rainbowfish.
daisies. 110 natty. The striking silver fins are incredibly unique in the aquarium hobby.
The intense red tail color becomes even brighter during feeding time.
The streamlined shape allows the fish to navigate dense plants easily.
A synchronized school of Tawa rainbowfish is a breathtaking sight.
The fish constantly searches the plant leaves for small, edible particles.
The black dotted pattern provides excellent natural camouflage.
The midwater section is the absolute favourite zone for the fish.
A healthy and plump body indicates a highly nutritious diet. Stable water conditions keep the Tawa rainbowfish healthy and active.
The fish is a very eager and enthusiastic eater.
High-quality food is required to maintain the spectacular red colors.
The deep red forehead extends beautifully all the way to the back.
Behold the magnificent beauty of the Tawa rainbowfish. The reflective silver scales act exactly like tiny underwater mirrors.
Spiderwood provides fantastic exploration areas for the active fish.
Broad green leaves provide wonderful shelter for the rainbowfish.
Clear and alert eyes demonstrate the excellent health of the fish.
The fish uses incredible speed to catch tiny brine shrimp.
Similarly sized peaceful tetras are great tank mates for the rainbowfish.
A weekly water change keeps the aquarium environment perfectly clean.
The colors shift magically depending on the exact viewing angle.
The elegant pointed snout helps the fish pick food from plants.
Vigorous swimming exercises the strong body muscles of the fish.
A dark background makes the silver and red colors truly explode.
The red tail flashes like a brilliant underwater flag.
The school groups tightly together when the aquarium lights turn on.
Moonlight simulation helps the fish relax before the night.
The Tawa rainbowfish sleeps peacefully near the sandy bottom.
The early morning brings out the hungry energy of the fish.
The fish compete gently for the best pieces of daily food. The intricate details of the dorsal fin are truly spectacular.
The polite fish remains calm during gentle tank cleaning routines.
The full 8 centimeter length makes the fish a great centerpiece.
Rock caves provide interesting structures for the fish to explore.
The bright turquoise belly is incredibly rare in the aquarium hobby.
A massive school moves exactly like a living silver cloud.
Indian almond leaves provide beneficial tannins for the rainbowfish.
Tannin-stained water enriches the natural colors of the fish.
The agile fish catches sinking granules before reaching the bottom.
The perfectly symmetrical body shape allows for flawless swimming. The highly inquisitive fish loves to observe the outside world. Sudden shadows will cause the fish to seek immediate cover.
The confident fish quickly returns to the open swimming area.
The contrast between the red head and silver fins is pure art.
The Tawa rainbowfish creates a highly dynamic aquarium display.
Enjoy the complete side profile of this rare Indonesian treasure.
Add the majestic Tawa rainbowfish to the collection today.
Like, share, and subscribe for more rare fish guides. Hit the bell to join the rare fish keeping community.
Do you want the Tawa rainbowfish? Comment down below.
This is the Aquatic Live. Happy fish keeping.